the product in the description of this video, and in the first comment subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here's a station you might like.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you caught up, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 12 minutes.
Pasta timer for 12 minutes, starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.
Link the product in the description of this video, and in the first comment subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.
Meet Echo Spot.
Hi there.
A compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep
Link
tight.
the product in the
Echo
description
Spot
of
from
this video,
Amazon.
and in the first comment subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.
This is the Maxwell LED shelf floor lamp from Brightech. Standing over 5 feet tall, it's a modern Japanese-style floor lamp and 3-tiered shelving display in one. Built with a soft white shade, the Maxwell diffuses attractive, warm white accent lighting. The stunning wooden frame only takes 10 minutes to assemble, and the open box design allows for easy grab-and-go convenience. Another advantage of the design is that it's a huge space saver, pairing lighting and shelving in one. Very practical for living rooms or guest rooms. The included LED bulb has a 20-year lifespan and only draws 9.5 watts of electricity, so it saves you money on your energy bill. And the beautiful glowing warm light is calming through the diffused shades, helping you feel relaxed and tranquil in your space after a long day of work. So make the Maxwell by Brightech yours today and discover the endless possibilities.